Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to hide photos in your gallery. Start by opening your gallery app and selecting the photos you want to hide, then choose the Hide or Move to Secure Folder option. If your phone lacks a native feature, install a reputable app and follow its setup steps, set a PIN or biometric lock, and test access to confirm your images are protected and easy to restore when needed. In this video, I will show how to hide photos in your gallery. Use your phone's built-in tools by locating the Hide or Secure Folder option in the Gallery or Photos app, then move selected images into that space. For iPhone, use the Hidden Album and adjust photo settings to remove it from Moments views. Always enable biometrics or a strong passcode to prevent accidental access while keeping your photos retrievable. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it's helpful. Quick recommendation: the Oala water bottle keeps you hydrated on the go, has a leak-proof cap and easy one-handed use, perfect while sorting photos or protecting devices from spills. I use it during long photo cleanup sessions, and it really helps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to hide photos in your gallery. If your device lacks robust tools, pick a trusted third-party app with PIN or biometric locks and clear privacy terms. Grant only necessary permissions and enable optional encrypted backup if needed. Import your photos into the app, confirm they are removed from the main gallery, and test unlocking. Regularly update the app and backup encrypted copies to avoid accidental loss.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.